So here's how we can add a child's iPad to the Find My iPhone. So let's get started. If you're new here, subscribe for more tips and videos like this one. So on the iPad, you actually open up the Find My app, and what we need to click on is the people section in the bottom left corner, because we obviously have some other things like the items and the devices, but I want you to go to the people, and from the iPad set up the sharing of location to another iPhone. Right, so what you're going to do in here is either start sharing location or tap the plus button and choose to share it as such. And you're going to share it over many different ways, but the best way would be to just share that over iMessage. So if you see the phone number in here, you're going to tap on it as such, right? Then confirm it. And you decide if you share the location for 1 hour until the end of the day or indefinitely. So most likely you want to pick the indefinitely, or obviously that depends, right? And you can enable it as such. And on the iPhone, you should be able to see that the other device has requested or shared their location to you. So now from the iPhone gets to decide if the phone wants to share location back to the iPad, which you don't have to, but you most definitely can. So in here, you are basically deciding if the sharing is mutual or only one-sided. So if you click on don't share, you should still see the location of that person, right? So if you on the iPhone go to the people section, you should find the iPad as such, but the iPad will not see the location of the phone, if it makes sense. So right, that is how you can just add it as this, and you should be able to control or kind of like see where that particular iPad is. So I hope it makes sense. Let me know if that is the thing that you are looking for. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more explanations and guides like this one. And I hope to see you later in the next videos as well.